Hi.
We all have to give one advice.
Arey, do whatever you want to do.
ठीक है.
Okay, I'm going to miss the seniors and the juniors.
I'm gonna miss my friends and the dogs here.
I'm going to miss playing cards with my friends till 6 in the morning.
My advice would be that when you are in college, you should enjoy every single day, because when it's time to leave, you are going to miss it.
And my advice would be choose your group presentation wisely. Hashtag no free riders.
My advice would be that enjoy every moment and live freely. It's make sure that you don't get enough of D's and enough of F's to get out of the college.
Guys, what will you miss the most from college?
The one thing that I'll miss is the late night conversations in the college with my friends. One advice that I'll give you is be careful when sneaking in.
What will I miss is the late night snacks and coffee breaks. And what advice I give is be good to H&M. Otherwise, you know what will happen.
I'll miss the time I spent with my friends, and one funny advice would be run behind girls and make good friendships.
One thing I'll miss is probably केवल भैया का मसाज एंड ज़्यादा अदरक वाली चाय. जो चाय नहीं होती वो अदरक पी रहे होते हैं. एडवाइस कुछ नहीं, कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग. दारू मत अंदर दारू
आराम से. So one thing I would be missing will be the friends that I made here, Harsha, Manan, and the beautiful sky in the IIM Raipur campus. And the advice that I would be giving is going to be enjoy the time in the campus as much as you can. Walk पे मत जाना, कहीं मैं धर लेता हूँ.
So the one thing that I'll miss about this college is these people, my friends. And one advice to the juniors would be stay true to yourself and you'll be fine.
Should I start? Yeah, I'll miss the most is my friends and Kashish the most, and this craziness these people are doing right here. At what 1 a.m. in the night. And the advice to my juniors is nothing but to take everything very lightly and live every day to the fullest. The thing I'm going to miss the most is Sakshi and my friends and all the friends. My advice to juniors would be to enjoy each and every day that you have here. You're not going to get this again.
I'll miss the freedom at night to roam around and relax with no issues. At 3 a.m. we are having Maggies. One advice to juniors would be to दारू देख के अंदर करो. You're getting caught a lot. I think you're paying for the stages at Mirai. Don't do that, especially acad.
I'll be missing the most is these people here. I'll be missing Manan the most.
These two questions have to answer. Okay, so the thing that I am going to miss the most is the crowd here, the peer here. All of my friends, all of my groups. I have changed groups so many times, but still it is very nice. All of my friends and all of the environment here and everything, parties and all. And one thing that I want to tell the juniors is just party hard. Don't think about studies and all. Just party a lot. You are going to miss it.
So the first thing I'll miss, or the only thing I'll miss about this college is, I guess, that how we celebrate a lot of festivals here. So that is something I'll miss, because once we get into job, so we usually miss those. And one advice is every chance you get out of your room, try to celebrate everything. These 2 years will pass in a second. You guys will regret not moving out of your room and enjoying every festival you can. That's the only advice I have.
So there are actually two things that I'll miss a lot. The first one is being in the PlaceCom and helping others to the best of my abilities, and the next one is the friend circle around me. Placement committee takes a lot. My friends were there to support me, and the advice to the juniors would be stay humble and stay confident to the thick and thin of MBA. It is a difficult course, difficult 2 years. You have to stay confident. That's the only advice that will get you through.
The biggest thing that I'm going to miss is the people around me, be it my friends in hostel, be it in class, or be one of my friends in HR club. And one of the biggest advice that I want to give to juniors is that don't be choosing life. Try to find path that matches your interest, and जो मिलता है उठाते रहना जीवन में.
people, I think.
Like me.
Yeah,
Like me who can't think about what to write. Malak is my favorite human being.
fuck him. Enjoy second year, it's gonna go very fast. So make sure you enjoy it completely.
I'm going to miss the most my friends, sitting with them, chatting with them, because doing nothing with friends means not doing nothing at all. So when we sit and talk, it's we learn a lot about things. So that is what I'm going to miss the most. And advice for juniors is take it a chill pill. Everything is going to be fine.
What is the one thing that you're going to miss the most in campus?
Obviously Rang. Rang has been my love since the first day, so yeah, Rang. So juniors, like, enjoy your life यार भाई. नहीं पता चलते 2 साल कब निकल गए, but जब प्लेसमेंट का आएगा 2 महीने जो परेशान होगा, थोड़ा सा लगेगा कि हाँ क्या चल रहा है, पर हो जाता है, एंड में सब ठीक हो जाता है.
I think I'll miss this too the most, and also my room.
I think I'm gonna miss weather and rains.
I'll miss my room and these two, of course.
Sale Makhan. I think comparison is the killer of joy. So don't compare. Enjoy your journey. And I think all roads will lead to where you actually belong and want to be.
Think just go with the flow and enjoy every moment.
Just enjoy this journey, because after this it is going to get tough.
काट लो 1 साल में. साहू इज द बेस्ट. अब कौन सा वाला तुम फिगर आउट करो. I miss the most is whenever somebody used to get in a shit, the moment they used to call me ki Pratik bhai, and just the moment they say Pratik, I knew something has happened and you have to resolve it. I think that was the best feeling I had in college, and I'll miss this a lot.
So what I'll miss the most is the people, these people. And what I want to tell you is don't take it too seriously. Everything will happen. Whatever is meant to happen will happen. So chill out and just enjoy the next 1 year that you have.
Friends, I guess.
Yeah, it's just the people around the campus, the life we have in the campus. Just that.
I miss my Akada and my group of friends.
An advice: don't take academics way too seriously.
Enjoy the time you have in the campus. That's the best thing you will remember all through these days.
We're gonna miss this late night campus walks and this. Say anything to juniors. Have fun how much ever you can and maintain your.
So the thing that I would miss the most in this campus is the freedom that I chose to take from this campus. And obviously, I'll miss all the people that I met here. And life without them is still a little bit hard to process. So
I met a lot of nice people here, so I'll miss just randomly getting to see them every day and just being in this campus, I guess. Go on more trips before you get a lot of grade drops.
again, my advice would be like whatever life throws at you, stay true to yourself and treat others with a lot of compassion, embrace differences and always be happy in your life. And all the best for everything that's happening in the future. All the best.
What will you miss the most if you leave from here? What will you miss the most if you leave from here?
I love this campus, so I'll miss this place, this campus, the people here.
Anyone special you will be missing?
Watch every sunset that I am Raipur.
Be like Yadu.
Date senior girls.
Have fun. Have single rooms.
I'll miss waking up late and going to classes. You know, in that 3-minute buffer time, I'll miss that. Being late to class.
I'll miss my people.
I'll miss going to classes together.
Hey, the class.
Cool, you miss Of course, we'll miss all the friends which I've created in these 2 years. Of course, these people.
And Sneha. And Arvind, of course, everyone.
Best advice is don't say no to any plan. Be part of every plan.
Be part.
Because this is a big boss house of 2 years, 700 people. Be part of every plan.
Create memories then and there. Don't say no to anyone. Just go with the plan.
What will be the one thing that you miss from this campus? For me, it will definitely be waking up at 8:55 and running to the class by 9 o'clock. This will definitely be it.
To be very honest, I'll only miss Rang.
Okay. Anything you want to say to your juniors?
Advice. Participate in everything. In every damn possible event that you may participate in, just go and perform.
So one thing I would definitely miss about the campus would be the clear skies and the starry night. You know, the long walks that you take around the campus. I think that would be the best time that we had in here at IIM Raipur. And one advice I would like to give to all the juniors out there is that surround yourself with good people and take part in all the activities, all those things that you won't, want to take it, but just be present there and enjoy the life, enjoy IIM Raipur. It's never going to come back again, and yeah, best of luck.
The one thing that I'll miss is definitely the friends. My friends I'll miss, and the memories that I made here, and all the all the learning and the growth. And it's a character development process, I think, in MBA. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna miss. And the campus air and people. Trust the process. Everything just works out fine in the end. There will be days where you feel that it is not working out and nothing is going according to you. But just trust the universe. Everything will fall accordingly. You made it till here. You can go after it furthermore also.
I think I'm gonna miss some people.
I think I'm gonna miss open cheese toast of Nescafe. I would say try to have a lot of fun here, and that's all MBA is about. 2 years of fun.
Yeah, I think I would say that hang out with people as much as possible, go to events and don't sit in your room just studying. I think that's same advice.